Okay, on your Google Classroom under classwork, you will scroll down and see we have a new section called typing. The first thing that's in here is for you to create a spreadsheet to record all of your typing data. So if you open that up, you'll see a completely blank spreadsheet. And we're going to talk more about spreadsheets, but just for today, we're going to put our very first basic piece of data in here. So here we're in the first cell where A and 1 come together. We're just going to put the date. So we're going to list all the dates that we have data entered in here. And then I'm going to go over to the next cell and I'm going to type WPM, which stands for words per minute. Once you get a typing score, it will come in words per minute, and you'll type that here. And the other score that you'll get will be called accuracy, which means how correctly you typed in all of the things on your typing test. So we're going to list those things. Our very first one is going to come today. So underneath the date, I'm going to write January 31st, 2019, because that's today's date. Once I finish my first one, I'm going to come back and enter what my words per minute was and what my accuracy percentage was. So I'm just going to leave this tab open for now, just right here. And I'm going to go back to Google Classroom so that I can see where it says also under the typing section to join our typing.com class. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to take me to the student sign up thing, but I want to make sure that right here it says you're requesting to join Angie Prater's class, and it says what our class is right there. I'm going to actually skip all of this because I'm going to scroll down and just sign in with Google. And that way I don't have to worry about typing any of that other information in. So when you get to your typing page, it looks like this. You'll eventually watch this little plant grow as you work through all the different things in here. Up at the top, you have your lessons, tests. There are some games in here, and you can check out your achievements. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to tests, and you have choices of 1-minute typing test, 3-minute typing test, or 5-minute typing test. You're going to click on the 1-minute typing test, and then you'll go through. It says to start typing, and once you start typing, it's going to start timing you and checking your accuracy. Once you finish that, it will give you, it'll say you type the 1-minute typing test, it'll give you your words per minute, and it will say your accuracy. So I'm going to come back over to my spreadsheet, and I'm going to type in that I had 47 words per minute, and again my accuracy was 97%. You don't need to put in the percentage symbol, just put in the word 97, and we'll talk more about why that is later. So I'm finished with this for today, but each day that I do this 1-minute typing test, I'm going to keep track of my data, and we'll talk more about that later when we talk more about spreadsheets. We just needed to get it started today. So it's okay to go ahead and close that now, and I'm back here on my typing.com page. I'm going to go back to where it says back to typing tests, and then at the top I'm going to switch over to lessons. A good goal for today would be to complete the J, F, and space lesson, and also the U, R, and K. So what you do is you just press start on here, and it's pretty self-explanatory. It walks you through. They always start with a little video, so make sure you have your headphones on so that you can watch this video, and then it's very short, and then it will take you right into your typing lesson. If you get through both of those today, then I would say that it would be all right to go out and check out some of the typing games that you saw on that page.